Hot diggity dang. Man, we're definitely gonna go riding today. I'm actually up early. Anybody that's thinking about moving to Las Vegas, it's terrible. Don't even think about it. It's just beautiful out here today. It's just awful. I had moved from New York and you had to make some sacrifices. You know, no more egg sandwiches. A good egg sandwich on a bagel. Jesus Christ. Oh man. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? But Las Vegas, it's just awful. Don't move here. We're gonna eat my breakfast, load up the 250, and then we're heading out to the east side of town. From the west to the east, town goes downhill, and it rained in the beginning of the week. We got some good monsoon rain, so all that water flushes down to the east side of town through the wash, which is a trail, and we're gonna see how gnarly it got. I'm gonna try to find some old pictures or videos from years back so you can see how much it changed. Because when you're out there riding in the summer, you never could believe that water runs through there because it's just so dry and barren, but you can definitely see noticeable differences, like huge rocks that move. I'm gonna try to find some good comparisons, but we'll catch up when I get out there. Oh, they got the horses out today. They call this limited use area. They got trails, but there's no camping, no anything crazy, but this is all like 2-track trails, but it's cool back here, especially after it rains. It's already getting warm out here. Oh, there go the horses. They got a horse trail that goes like, there's kind of 3 trails. There's a big loop and one up through the middle. These horses, they go up through the middle. I'll let them get ahead so we don't spook the horses. Just because she's smoking don't mean she's broken. Many moments later. Oh, they fixed this road. This used to be rutted out like crazy. That downhill. This whole section off. I know I got a photo. I'm pretty dang sure I got a photo. I think when I was riding the KX100 I had when I moved here. But you can see how this is all a wash down here, so this all gets crazy when it rains. You would never think. But there used to be like another wall over here, or it was something cool enough that I stopped and took a picture here a while back, but I'm pretty sure this is it. I don't know, I gotta keep looking. It looks very familiar. This is going back 4 years ago, so it changed a lot. Like a big old chunk like that could have been all the way down there. Like this stuff, the water does crazy stuff. It's amazing. Oh, I love this bike, man. This 4-strokes blow. It's so much more fun on a 2-stroke. Is this the main trail? Oh, this is the main trail. Hold up. Hold up. This is the main trail now. This is one spot that always looks way different. I don't think it rained as bad as I thought it would. This is really like this. This is way open now. What? This is crazy. Dang, I blasted that one rock. I felt that in my bones. Oh, I hope I don't have a flat, man. I do drop the tire pressure pretty low, considering it's so rocky. This used to be a big wall. This used to be a big wall. I used to, oh shit. I've rode up like that side on the KX100 before. I think you could ride up the center of this now. Oh, I might go down. Or it might be easier to ride down it than up it. Oh, this is crazy. This is way different. This used to be way different. Oh, look at these faggots. Justin, you're forever gay. This used to be a big wall. And you used to be able to like, I think I was like, you used to creep up the left. There was no way to ever get up this. I mean, maybe if you're like a crazy trials rider. I think I can go right up here. Oh.